message.
Muna, siyempre, ang idol natin lahat, ang kampiyon. Our champion, hindi lamang sa boxing, kung hindi sa lahat ng kanyang katangian bilang isang Pilipino, ang ating minamahal na champion, si Senator Manny Pacquiao. And of course, the officials and members of the PSC, led by Pato Gregoro, officials and members of the Paralympic Committee, led by my former classmate, Mike Barredo, lahat ng ating national athlete, of course, the First Lady, Lisa, who has played a large part in putting all of this together. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. What can I say about Manny Pacquiao and his boxing career that hasn't been said before? Because all the superlatives that can possibly be used, all the praise that can possibly be had by an athlete have already been heaped upon him, and well-deserved. And today, we are given the opportunity to be in His reflected glory. Dahil alam naman natin that there is no other boxer, nalampasan mo pa pati si Muhammad Ali. There is no other boxer, there is no other athlete for that matter, who gained the plaudits all around the world. And of course, in the Philippines. Saan ka naman nakakita ng atletang Pilipino na pagka may laban, yung nangyayari, pagka may laban, yung putukan sa Mindanao, nagsisisfire muna para manood sila kay Manny Pacquiao. Where did you ever hear of such a thing? Naalala ko, nung build-up sa Hatton fight, nasa London kami. Marami akong kaibigan na English. Sabi nila, how is Manny? Ganun, idol na idol ka. Sabi nila, hirap na hirap sila. Kasi mahal na mahal ka, hindi nila alam kung kanino sila kakampi. Dahil si Hatton galing doon sa kanila, pero ikaw yung idol nila. Nung pauwi naman kami, nasa Hong Kong kami nung actual na laban. So naghanap kami ng lugar kung saan kami makapanood. Nakahanap kami ng sports bar. Alam mo, remember Lisa, we went, nakahanap kami ng sports bar. Punta kami sa sports bar, manunood kami. Eto na, yung mga undercard, yan, naglalaban. Pumasok, may mga pumasok ng mga English. Tapos, nandun sa likod namin. Ayan na. Sabi ko, at kami nag-aalala kami. Sabi ko, alam mo, inaalala ko, dahil alam namin, si Hatton, lakas sumuntok dun eh. Sabi ko, baka masaktan si Manny. Baka, delikado yan, dahil ang lakas nga sumuntok, yun ang pama niya, malakas ang sumuntok. Ayan na, nag-umpisa yung fight. Palabas pa lang kayo, palabas pa lang. Nagsisigawan na yung mga English na gano'n. Pag nung bell, pang, sisigaw yung mga English. Bigla na lang, may narinig ako, yung mga Pinay, hey, shut up, just shut up, kasi Hatton sila ng Hatton. Yung pala mga asawa nila, mga Pinay, na talagang hinahawi nila. No, Manny Pacquiao, no, Manny Pacquiao. Yun na, sabi ko talaga, ibang klase. Totoo yun, that's a true story. Nagulat ako kasi sabi ko, bigla na lang. At saka talagang sinasaktan nila. Sabi, oh, shut up, ganun. Sabi ko, bakit? Hindi, asawa namin yan. Pero hindi sila pwede mag-cheer para kay Hatton. Kailangan si Manny Pacquiao. So, yun ang naging experience ng lahat. At maaga pa yun. Sabi ko, pagkatapos ng laban, sabi ko, mali naman ako. Inaalala ko si Manny, baka masaktan. Second round pa lang, tulog na si Hatton. Yes. Kaya naman, makita mo, tapos tuloy-tuloy, lahat ng laban mo, pinakita mo talaga na ang galing-galing mo. At saka, there was a time, alala ko, ano bang laban yun? kakapanalo lang nung Celtics ng NBA na finals. Pinakita nila merong coverage. Andun si Manny. Tapos nanalo na naman. Pumasok yung kapitan ng Celtics. Sabi mo, "Hey, you're my idol." "No, you're my idol." Sabi niya sa'yo. Ganun kakilala. That is Manny Pacquiao. And that is the way he was known all over the world. And we can say that sa buong kasaysayan ng Pilipinas, there was never a time when we were more proud to be Filipino than when Manny was winning all those fights but hindi lang kasi napakagaling niya. Never niya kinalimutan ang pagka-Pinoy niya. Lagi niyang, biruin mo, pumunta kami sa birthday niya, pinakanta siya. Ang kinanta niya, pasigaw-sigaw pa, Pinoy ako, Pinoy ako, Pinoy ako. Yun, para sa akin, ang talagang pinakamalaking bagay. Gaya ng sabi niya salita, these are the souvenirs or the memorabilia from my journey. And but more importantly is the Filipino people. And he has never forgotten that. And that was always a source of admiration. Dahil maraming Pilipinong sumikat sa iba't ibang, hindi lang sa boxing, pero sa iba't iba. Kung minsan parang hindi na Pinoy yung kausap mo eh. Parang nakalimutan nila ang pagka-Pinoy nila, nakalimutan na doon sila lumaki, nakalimutan nila doon sila sumikat. At ngunit si Manny, never mo mararamdaman yan. And you cannot find a more humble, a more devoted and God-fearing person than Manny Pacquiao. No matter gaano kasikat siya, gaano kakilala, nag-survey nung one of your last fights, nag-survey sila na the most famous person in the world was Manny Pacquiao. Kilala ka kahit saan sa buong mundo. And that for me, sabi na, Pinoy yan. Huwag yung kakalimutan. Pilipino yan. At lagi naming hindi natin makakalimutan yon. The time that we felt the glory of being Filipino. Hindi lang kami proud, naging mayabang talaga kami. Kami may Manny Pacquiao. Kayo ba? May Manny Pacquiao kayo? Wala, kami may Manny Pacquiao kami. Ganun ang pakiramdam. Yan ang dinala mo sa amin lahat. Dinala mo sa Pilipino, sa bawat isang Pilipino, both those living here in the Philippines and those abroad. At ginawa mong fans ang buong mundo, naging supporter mo, naging fan mo dahil napakagaling mo. But there is a side also to Manny that maybe most people do not know about. I remember when we went for the dinner during the awards sa Elorde at pinuntahan namin. At lumabas, lahat ng mga boksingero na wala na silang hanap buhay. At yung iba tinamaan na, nagkasakit, nagkaramdaman. Lahat yun tinulungan ni Manny. Hindi niya sinasabi kahit na kanino. Kung hindi nila in-announce doon sa programa na yun, nobody would know about it. At yan ang ganyan ng ugali, ganyang pagkatao ng ating Manny Pacquiao. So hindi lang siya champion sa boxing. He is a champion of humanity. He is a champion as a Filipino. He is a champion as a man. And he is a champion in all our hearts. And he will always be our champion. He will always be our Filipino champion. Manny, maraming salamat sa iyo.
Thank you, Mr. President.